Hey guys, welcome to Robert's Films here. Today, it's a retake. I messed up the last take, so today you're going to learn how YouTube cards are made. Let's go! So I said that I did this in the original, so yeah. So you go on my channel. Oh, it likes Linus. You customize channel. You go here. You click on your face over here, whatever icon you have. You go create a studio. You go wee with your mouse. Then you go on. You create a studio. If you want to do any of these, yeah, just click skip. Just like end screens, you go onto video manager. You click edit. It likes my face. And you click on yes. Of course, you know, end screen. I did, yeah. So today we're focusing on. There'll be a little bit of this as well. Yeah. That's my intro. Okay, so I have any. Yeah, I've got this. So basically, you get like that. You click here. Yeah, you go like that. So any of these, you can do a poll. I'm going to create a poll. So you can put like a poll question like. Something like that. Of course, I don't need that in the video, so yeah. But you may have seen the other thing here, link. You need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. This is also seen in end screens elements. So if you click on add element, at the bottom there would be a link. But I'm not part of the YouTube Partner Program, so yeah. So, if you liked today's video, smash that like button. Subscribe, click the notification bell so you never see future videos, and check out my new website. Links in the description down below. Bye!